Hey guys, and very quickly here something before the weekend, something that I'm pretty sure you will find interesting and something that can profoundly improve your trading results. This is about ATR. By the way, ATR is my most favorite indicator. I use it every day for entries, exit filters. That's what I'm going to talk about. So sometimes in November the last year, and it was actually November the 11th, I posted a very normal, quite usual post about ATR on my Twitter, and somehow it just gained enormous interest, and just in a couple of days I already got over 40,000 views, and I'm not surprised. I believe that ATR is one of the most powerful things in trading, and as I said, I'm very interested in ATR myself. Yet another traders should use its profound advantages as well. So this whole thing, this whole strategy was basically about three ways to use ATR, because you can use ATR for anything. You can use it for entries, for exits, you can use it as a filter. And this strategy basically combines all three approaches. So it used ATR, just a simple ATR multiplier as an entry. So it was, you take today's open, and this was on E-mini Nasdaq. So you take E-mini Nasdaq today's open, and you add 2.5 times of ATR, average true time multiplier, a volatility breakout. So basically I take yesterday's close, and then I take last known value of the ATR, average true range, and I multiply it by 2.5, and then I can calculate where will be my next breakout level, long or short. And bear with me, I'll get back to it more in details just in a second. Then I can also use ATR to compare to ATR periods, which I did actually on this image, where I compared ATR period 20 and ATR period 30, which, by the way, by itself, it's a very, very powerful filter. So just taking faster and slower ATR, average true range, and comparing two different volatilities, let's say more current one with average one, or just two different periods of volatilities, that alone is a profound filter. And then I basically used again ATR and multiplier of it as a stop, sorry, no, this one was still entry, but I used it also as a exit. Let me show you actually. It's here. ATR for exit, use ATR multiplier to place your stop loss. So it's completely same idea like for the entry, just it works the right opposite. You use ATR from your entry point. If you go long, ATR entry point minus specific multiplication of ATR to place your stop loss. So these are basic stuff, really, really simple stuff. It works like a magic. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Hey, really, this stuff doesn't need to be overcomplicated. And again, very, very popular post with lot of interest. Now, what I did, seeing these results, I actually decided to assemble more informations like this, including this strategy, and put it together and give you this for a download, completely free download. So I created a download, which you can find on the link below. And into this download, I actually added a couple of completely free sections or lessons where I talk about best breakout indicators ever, including ATR, which is the best indicator I know, probably. A full strategy breakdown, so you'll find more what I talked about in this Twitter post. How to use it for entries, exit, and stops, where you will find exactly this strategy on the Twitter, so you can download it completely, the code. The other best indicators besides ATR, the exact indicators we use in our hedge fund, the best indicators, best trend indicators, then also best ADX indicator. ADX is very, very powerful indicator which measures the strength of the trend, and it perfectly works together with ATR and can really boost your strategies quite significantly. And then some other proprietary secret indicators which I developed for my hedge fund, like MCMA, which I believe you will love as well, and MCCO. So this is a completely free package, but it will show you how to use ATR for entries, exits, and filters, and some other very, very powerful extra very powerful indicators to create really powerful filters. So let me just show you. Okay, it's here. So here, okay, a link below this video, completely for free. You'll find all the information there, including these entries, exits, filters, including this completely free ATR filter strategy. So I hope this will make your weekend better. You'll learn something from it. I hope it will help you with your trading strategies. If you like content like this, please give me a thumb up and definitely subscribe, because I'll be sharing more stuff like this with you in next week again. So that's it. Have a nice weekend and see you next week.